Today I am going to tell you happy hashing password cracking using Python. The module name hashlib secure hashes and message digest is used to calculate the hashes. This module implements a common interface to many different secure hash and message digest algorithms. Included are the FIPS secure hash algorithm, SHA-1, SHA-224, SHA-256, SHA-384 and SHA-512. I am taking some of them as well as RSA MD5 algorithm defined in Internet RFC 1321. The term secure hash and message digest are the interchangeable. Older algorithms were called message digest. This is the older algorithm. The modern term is secure hash. I will cover some of them. There is one constructor method named for each type of hash. All return a hash object with same simple interfaces. For example, use SHA-1 to create a SHA-1 hash object. You can now feed this object with arbitrary strings using the update method. So you can use this object for all other SHA method algorithm, and you have to just update it. So hashlib is the library which we will need for this, and of course Python and PyCharm, and then the word list which is made by the Daniel Missler checklist master password list to helpful for this program. I have taken this from the GitHub. You can also go there and find out the this fellow password list, so you can find the password easily. Now next I have to show you how to do work in PyCharm. For that, first of all you have to go to Google to find out the hashlib library. Hashlib in Python. When you say, then this will give you a hashlib library. You get it from the Google. This is the hashlib library. You get it and copy the link and come in the PyCharm. Then go to the terminal. Then press Ctrl V and install it. I have already installed, so I'm not going to install it. So now come into the presentation view and see how we can write the program. For that, first of all you have to import the hashlib, then hash value which you have to enter in this input. Enter a string. Here you have to give the password. When you give the password, it will convert into hashlib. MD5 MD5 is a method through which they convert the things into the hash format, and then when you create the object, then update it with the hash value dot encode. It will create your hash value and then print this hash value. Same way we can create a sh1. Each time we have to only update these objects. Then then we create the sh2256, then sh224 and then sh512. This much I am going to cover here. Then now we create the flag and find out the hash value in the word list file in which we get the password, whether it is available password or not. Then for that I have to use the word list file which I told you I have taken from GitHub. For that, pass file equals to open word list comma R. This is the file name which we are getting from the GitHub, and then taking it within the try and exception loop, uh, because if the file is not found, then the program must quit. Otherwise, you have to take one by one each word from the pass file and compare and encode the word dot word which you are getting from the pass file. You encode it by the UTF method. This is another method which encode the word, and then use the digest. All these are the method which all these are the facility which you are using to convert the MDF MDF hash word to strip the hash word and get the hexa digest value, hexa form value. Then if the digest is equal to parse hash you have taken here, parse hash. I have taken the converted MD5 value in the parse hash. Then print password found, otherwise password is plus word. And print the word which you are getting from the word list for the password. So just run it and find out the word, or if the word is found, then the flag will become 1, that means you have found the word. Otherwise it won't found the word and tell that word is not found. So come here and run the program. Enter the password. Now suppose I have written password. It will convert your all things into hash form. First is MD5, second is SHA1, the third is SHA256, fourth is SHA224, which we have defined before running this program. Then you have to find the word list file name. For that, you have to find the file name. So go there in a folder where we have made the project, and find out the file name. Here I have taken the file name and copy this and go to the PyCharm. Here you have to give the file name, then it will process and said it is found the password. So it will written within a second the password. And if you give the wrong password, if you give the wrong password, then it will tell you the password is not found. So run it and give the string, suppose planet, and again give the word list. So it will checking and not giving you any password. So here you have to write else if, else print password is not found. And run it again. So it is giving password is not found, not found, not found. This much time it is working. So there are 10 million password and it's checked in within a second, and you would get the password if there is not this type of password. So run it again and give, suppose I am giving prism and file name. It is found the file password prism. So this way you can find out the password which is available in the file word list, and you can crack the password, or you can find the, if you forget your password then you can find your password. So this is all, viewers. um, Tomorrow I will tell more advanced thing regarding to the password. Please save your password made with this MD5 method or SHA method, and randomly you can create your password and find out the password which is available in the word list. If you like this program, please share and subscribe, and send to your friends. Thank you, viewers. This is